Sniper 150 dual injector throttle body with manual ISC. So ito yung item. Yan yung ISC nya. Manually controlled. Ito yung loob ng throttle body. Yan yung slot para sa injector number 2. So injector number 2, injector number 1 direct sa intake valves. Yung manifold nya is CNC. So yan, oval ported. Ito yung lagayan para sa TPS. So again, this is the Sniper 150 42mm throttle body, dual injector. So yan yung ano niya. Yan yung side view. Ito yung lagayan ng cable. Ito yung back view. Okay. Available na po ito mga sir. Sniper 150 dual injector.